On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, guys? So I'm going to use this older Marine Everstar battery I picked up a while back. I like these old induction type testers because it's hard to be inaccurate when you have a load on it. Oh, backwards here. Unless you do that. That's good. I also have an electronic version that I bought, and I don't think they're very accurate. Not as accurate as an induction style good load test. This is 625. Now see, this says it's at 80%. But I just did a load test. I know it's a pretty good battery. What we're going to do today is lengthen this battery box so I could put a full-size battery in here. Been wanting to do that for a long time. But I think this battery's getting weak, because if I lift that dump bed 3 times, 4 times, it's done. It won't even start the truck. So I think it's starting to go. Hey, I got an idea. Let's put the load tester on it. I don't know if this says how many. It's got to be a 300 at least. I would say 350 cranking amp, because the good tractor batteries are up there. I'm going to do a test with this first. It's pretty fully charged because I used it this morning. Let's see, it would be about in the middle. Well, even the weakest is 200, so let's do 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's at about almost 400. Better than I thought. Let's see what this does. It's got to be 350. It says it's good. What the hell? I'm going to split this box, extend it how far I got to go, then just weld a piece in between. Just put it back together. That's right. What's crazy is this one bolt is the ground for the entire system of this truck. Might be able to put that cover back on. This battery is 10 inches. That battery's 12 inches. So maybe I'll just go 11 inches or just go to 12 inches and get it over with. I think we'll do the 10 inches, 10 and a half. And then all I gotta do is put a plate in the bottom, a little bit farther out, tack weld that in there, and I think that'll do her. 9.5 inches high, so it's not gonna hit. That's 10 1/4. The other battery sticks out 1.5 inches past this, so that makes it 6.5. And then I'm going to bend a lip up to hold the bottom of the battery, so I'm going to do 8 by 10 1/4. And I could tack weld it in a few spots. I'm putting the battery in this way so the terminals aren't out, plus the ground that goes to the body is pretty short. It'll reach right there, and then it's going to bend upward, so to take the battery out I have to lift it and pull it out. But then I don't have to worry about so much the whole thing sliding, because it'll hold the bottom in. thin stuff is so much nicer to work with. See? Plasma cutter is great for this thin. This isn't really that thin either. I mean, I don't know what that is. I don't know what gauge that is. Sorry, but can't bend it with your hands. It's that gauge. All the old metal that I have acquired through the years. Even my tools. That plasma cutter. An old truck, I traded for it. Wheeling and dealing. Just enough to catch it. Yeah, of course my battery glasses, or my video glasses battery died, so there, it's all tacked. So that's kind of the finished product. Put a rubber piece on the bottom. And I gotta paint this, I guess, when I paint the rest. I'll let it down and see how much room's left. Perfect. Oh, you can get right in there still. That'll work. That'll do, pig.
That'll do.
So let's see how it lifts with that battery. Definitely has some more ass than that little battery.
Yeah.
You can hear it. Totally worth it. Well, there it is, boys. The final product of the battery tray expansion. And it's pretty good. Like, it doesn't really stick out that much. See? Not bad. I was worried about that, you know. I'm happy with it. You happy with it, Minnie? Yeah.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.